Alright, so this is the Philips 5.1 home theater. Yeah, there's the front that you've seen before, and these are the channels. So this thing got a problem. The problem is with the subwoofer. So the thing is, when I was watching a movie and the sound was so loud, and then there was a voltage fluctuation, suddenly that was kind of bad, and then I got some loud boom kind of sound, like a pop sound uh, that was heavy, like boom, that came from the subwoofer. And then after that, the subwoofer stopped working. All the 5 channels were working as usual, but only the subwoofer was not working at all. So I opened this thing, and first of all I checked the speaker driver. That's fine. Check the continuity, so the coil is okay, the speaker is fine. And then check the board, circuit board. Everything was fine except that IC over there. You can see that's broken on one side. Yeah, and this is a piece of that IC. You can see the number here. You can see the number here. So that IC blown. That's why the subwoofer stopped working. Well, these 2 ICs are for the subwoofer. So now what I'm gonna do is I removed the screw here. You can see. So now I'm gonna replace it, and then gonna see if it works or no. If it doesn't work, then I have to check the other IC too. So let's do it. Alright, so this is the broken one that was blown. You can see D2050, and this is a new one. It's also 2050. So I'm gonna install this IC now, and then you're gonna see. As you can see, I mounted this new IC on the circuit board and screwed to the heatsink. And now on this side you can see there it is. And now just need to solder all these 5 pins, and then we are good to go if there is no any other problem. Alright, so the soldering is done. You can see it right there. So now I've connected the AC power cord, and let's turn it on. If you get a pop noise, that will come from the subwoofer because none of the channels are connected right now. So let's turn the switch on. Yeah, there is a popping noise if you heard it. Alright, so now let's turn this thing on and let's check the bus if it's working. Alright, so that's connected to the Bluetooth with this mobile, and now let's play some songs and let's see if the subwoofer is working or no. Alright, as you have heard, the bass is coming from the subwoofer, so it's working now perfectly, no problem at all. So that's how you can repair the subwoofer of a 5.1 home theater. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. So in the next video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.